How to fix Twitter, or you would say X app not loading images. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure if your internet is working properly. Now once you are sure, go back to your home screen and open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, click on search icon. Now simply now simply sort now simply tap on the search bar. Now type X, click on search. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done with that, go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the X icon and tap on App Info. Now click on Data Uses. Now make sure that the mobile data and disable Wi-Fi are turned off. Now go back. Now click on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a special topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.